Welcome back to Adventure Repeats. Glad to see you here. So today we're doing the front differential service on this 2018 Polaris RZR. This is a turbo model, but it'll be the same for a regular model itself. So we're going to get to it and get back on the trail. Train plug is right here, and that is a simple 8mm or 5/16 Allen socket. And the drain plug has a magnet on the end, so you want to make sure the metal shavings get cleaned off of that as well before it gets put back in. And there it is. No magnet on this side. I just use the Amsoil bags with a straw or just a rubber hose on the end of it so I can shove it in there nice and easy. And then squeeze the bags. Push it in there and oh yeah, you got some nice dirty stuff coming out of there. So it was not pretty. Pour a little bit more in there. Try to turn it around every which way I can to get as much washed out as possible. The better I can wash this and flush this out, the better I'm going to have this to last long term. And I can even put that drain plug back in just a little bit to allow it to fill, and then dump it one more time just to make sure I can get as much as possible out of there. Now with the drain plug reinstalled to 10 foot-pounds, I'm going to then fill it with Amsoil. So it does call for a 1/4 quart, which doesn't seem like a lot, but the idea is to fill it till it spills out the top. The drain pan's underneath there, and no debris on this. And just start squeezing in there until it comes out. And there it's starting to leak out. And once that's in there, you tighten that back down to 10 foot-pounds. Clean up all the oil that's been spilling off around there, and we are good to go. So that's all it takes to service the front differential on these Polaris RZRs. This is 2018 turbo model, but it's essentially the same across all the models. It's a one tool, a 5/16 or 8mm Allen wrench, and about a 1/4 quart of fluid. So it's simple and easy to do. I'll leave all the links in the description for anything that you need to make this process easier for you as well. And hopefully you can like the video, comment, tell us what you think, tell us what you want to hear about, and subscribe. We got a lot of great content coming, a lot of great content on the channel, so be sure to check it out. And remember to have a great adventure.